If you're already maxing out your ISA allowance, or perhaps you've inherited a lump sum you want to invest, where should you put your money for the long haul? The common advice is to use a tax-efficient wrapper like an ISA or a pension, and you absolutely should. But for many serious investors, the question quickly becomes, what do you do after you've used up those annual limits? That's where the Nutmeg General Investment Account, or GIA, becomes an essential part of a long-term strategy. A GIA is simply an investment account with no limits on how much you can invest. While you don't get the tax-free status of an ISA, it gives you the flexibility and capacity you need to keep growing your wealth, which is vital for ambitious long-term goals like early retirement, funding a child's education, or building a significant wealth pot. So, how do you use the Nutmeg GIA effectively for the long term? We've got 3 key steps. Step 1. Choose a long-term investment style. Nutmeg offers several investment styles, and for long-term growth, you need to pick one that matches your timeline and risk appetite. For most, the fully managed or smart alpha portfolios are best. These are actively monitored and adjusted by Nutmeg's experts to adapt to global market conditions. For long-term goals spanning 10, 20, or even 30 years, you can generally select a higher risk level. The longer time horizon gives your investments a better chance to ride out market downturns and benefit from compounding over time. Step 2. Leverage the unlimited contribution. This is the GIA superpower. Unlike an ISA with its $/pounds $20,000 annual limit, you can contribute as much as you want to a GIA. This is perfect for those who have reached their ISA limit, or for those one-off events like an inheritance or a bonus. You simply continue to pour money into your long-term, globally diversified portfolio, ensuring your capital is always working towards your major financial milestones. Step 3. Structure your investment pots for different goals. The GIA is highly flexible. Instead of having one massive, confusing pot, you can create separate pots within your Nutmeg account, each tailored to a specific long-term goal. For example, you could have one pot labeled Retirement Bridge with a higher risk level and a 20-year timeline, and another labeled Future Property Upgrade with a slightly lower risk level and a 10-year timeline. This structure helps you manage your risk and stay emotionally committed, knowing exactly which money is dedicated to which future purpose. In short, the Nutmeg GIA is the perfect vehicle to complement your ISA and pension. It's the ultimate overflow account that keeps your long-term investment strategy flowing, helping you get every available pound working for your future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.